everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check country of an Instagram account. So now without any further delay, let's get started with the process. So first of all, you have to launch Instagram application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now once you are on your feed, you can see various posts from your friends, followers or other suggestions page. Now let's tap on a page right here. Here we go. Now once you are here on this page profile, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see 3 horizontal dots. Tap on it. With that, a menu like this will appear on your screen. Now you'll see the option of About This Account. So simply tap on that option. Now once you come across this page, you can see the date joined and the account based in. So you can see that this specific account is based in Canada. So that's how you can check a country of an Instagram account. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.